Hello students, we are going to start the revision session of chapter friction. First of all, we have to understand about friction. What is frictions? Given some examples and factor affecting frictions. Friction is the force which resists the relative motion of surfaces, all types of surfaces like solid, liquid and air. It means friction's force always applies in the opposite directions of motion, of movement. Friction is applied when two surfaces in contact move relative to each other. We have to understand with the help of any one examples. As for example, a moving wheel on the ground stops after covering a certain distance because surface of ground offers opposite directions frictions to the surface of wheel in motion. Second example is after applying a brake to moving bike, the surface of brakes offers frictions to the surface of moving wheel and bicycle stops because of force of frictions. Next topic is factor affecting frictional force. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. The rough surface produces more frictions and the smooth surface produces less frictions. As for example, if we push the shopping cart over marble floor and shopping cart over carpet floor, then in case of carpet floor, there should be applied more force due to more rough surface of carpet. The amount of frictions depends upon the weight of the object. More the weight of the object, greater will be frictional force. Thus, we can say that the force of friction is more when the two surfaces are pressed harder. You can experience by dragging a mat when nobody is sitting on it, when a person is sitting on it. So, the force of friction is greater if a rough surface is involved. Friction force may be broadly classified into two categories. Number one is static friction and second one is kinetic frictions. Further, kinetic frictions may broadly classified into two categories. Number one is sliding friction, second one is rolling friction. The term kinetic derived from the word kinesis means movement of an object. Let us discuss one by one. Number one is static frictions. What is static frictions? The force required to overcome frictions when an object starts moving from rest. That is known as static frictions. It means object start moving from the rest positions and friction force is applied. Let us discuss about sliding frictions. What is sliding frictions? These frictions come into actions when a surface slides over another surface and resists its motion is called sliding frictions. As for example, sliding a book or box over ground, that is the example. Third one is rolling frictions. These frictions come into actions when a surface roll over another surface and resists its motion is called rolling frictions. Rolling friction is smaller than sliding frictions and due to this, roll anything over the ground is easier than to slide. Our next topic is fluid. First of all, we have to understand what is fluid. Fluid, the tendency to flow. We consider in fluid air and water. Fluids such as air and water exert frictional force. Okay. The frictional force exerted by fluid on object is called drag. It is known as drag. What is drag? The frictional force exerted by fluid on object is called drag. It depends upon the shape of the object and nature of the fluid. The two factors which is dependent upon, the first factor is the shape of the object and second factor is the nature of the fluid. We have to learn it. Next point is to reduce the friction, object is made streamlined so that they can have to move about in fluid all the time. As for example, bodies of aeroplane, car, ships are made streamlined to reduce frictions with air and water.